Okay, so here's a quick update on the Roscoe. As you can see here right now, the Roscoe looks like a touring bike rather than a trail bike. Anyway, if you missed the previous update, I will include a link of the video so you can have a look at the video. So for this update, I replaced the stock seat to this one. This is by Sally Royal. Actually, this is a long-term loan from my brother. He used this seat for his RTI round-trip island, which he covered about 178 kilometers for several hours, and he recommended me this seat. So he wants me to try this out first. So okay, no chance yet because at present the weather here has been raining quite a lot lately. So we'll see about that. Okay, so next one is the front rack. This is Topic or Two-Peak. Okay, this is Tetra Rack M1 for the front fork, targeted to mountain bikes. It's using the strap-on system. It took me about 25 minutes to half an hour to get this mounted on the fork, and I got this bag. This is Topic MTX trunk bag DXP. It's compatible with the rack, so you just slide it in and it will lock in place. But then I got some issues with the bag mounted at the front because of weight issues. The handling gets bad, and not only that, the light which I mount on the handlebar, the beam gets blocked by the bag. So it's not a good idea to mount this size of bag at the front. So I then get the rear rack instead. I wanted to get the Tetra Rack M2, something like this, for mountain bike, using the strap-on system, but it's out of stock. So I took this rack instead. This is also a Topic rack. Can't remember what's the model, something to do with uni tourist blah blah, something like that. Anyway, this rack is very solid. It's mounted directly on the mount that is readily available on the Roscoe. So this will be used to carry my trunk bag. It's using the same system, the MTX system, so just slide in and it will lock in place. So this is it. Okay, so that's all for this video. I hope I can clock lots of mileage on this setup, hopefully. Okay, anyway, that's all for this video, and thanks for watching.